from the government, the private sector really.
Our golden boy, Carlos Yulo.
We celebrate not just an athlete, but a true champion, aspiring Filipino athlete, dreaming of making it, making their mark.
Big hand, our golden boy, Azteca Carlos Yulo, please. And remember to upload your photos and your videos using these hashtags. Proud Yulo, hashtag Azteca Carlos, hashtag Appear Carlos, hashtag DigiPlus, and hashtag.
Siyempre, DigiPlus and Arena Plus. Grabe, di pa nakakapag-Olympics talaga. Tinanggap niyo po ako at sinuportahan.